Is that him?
That's him, Junior! He came to collect!
Look, Mr. Cloud, look. It's the World Series isn't over. We got
to
one more
pay
game. Just chill
the
out. You know what I'm
What's going on, Junior?
The clown from the Terrified movie. He's behind me.
You mean Art?
Art?
Yeah, that's his name, Art.
Like the painting and drawing?
Yeah, I know, it's fucking gay.
Maybe it's short for Arthur.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't.
Oh, fuck that! It's time to play Whack the A-hole!
What? Did you kill him?